The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to launch in July 2025, is set to bring significant improvements in design, performance, and functionality over its predecessors. One of the most anticipated upgrades is its 8-inch foldable main display, which is expected to feature ultra-thin glass (UTG) technology, making it more durable while offering a smoother folding experience. The cover screen is rumored to be 6.5 inches, slightly larger than before, allowing for better usability without unfolding the device. Samsung is also working on reducing the crease in the foldable display, a common concern in previous models, by refining its hinge mechanism. In terms of performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or equivalent, paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB to 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring top-tier multitasking capabilities. Additionally, Samsung is expected to include an improved vapor chamber cooling system to enhance heat dissipation, preventing overheating during intensive use, such as gaming or extended productivity sessions. Camera-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 200MP primary sensor, marking a significant jump in photography capabilities. This upgrade, borrowed from Samsung's Ultra flagship lineup, could bring better zoom, low-light performance, and overall image quality. Other camera sensors, including the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, are also expected to receive improvements, making this one of the best foldable camera systems on the market. The under-display selfie camera on the main screen is also likely to be refined for better image quality while maintaining a seamless viewing experience. Another area of improvement is the battery and charging speed. While Samsung has traditionally struggled to fit large batteries into foldable devices, leaks suggest that the Z Fold may 7th feature a 5000 mAh battery or a slightly larger one, coupled with faster wired and wireless charging. Additionally, Samsung may introduce support for reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge accessories like Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Watch by placing them on the back of the phone. In terms of software, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will run Samsung's One UI, likely based on Android 15, with enhanced multitasking and productivity features. Improved S Pen support is also expected, possibly with a dedicated slot for the stylus, similar to the Galaxy S Ultra series. This could make the Fold 7 a compelling choice for professionals and creatives who rely on stylus input for work. Despite these substantial upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to retain a similar price point, starting at around $1,899. Samsung's strategy seems to focus on refining the foldable experience rather than drastically increasing the price, making it more attractive to consumers looking to adopt the latest in foldable technology. With these expected improvements in display, durability, performance, camera, and battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced and polished foldable devices yet, further solidifying Samsung's dominance in the foldable smartphone market.